The core principles of the law of attraction: thoughts as vibrational energy, the power of focus, visualization and manifestation, belief and faith, historical context and evolution. Hi, welcome to Brain Boost Point. The law of attraction is a fascinating and often misunderstood concept that has captured the imagination of many people around the world. At its core, it posits that our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs have a direct influence on the reality we experience. Essentially, it suggests that like attracts like, meaning positive thoughts and emotions attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts and emotions attract negative outcomes. To fully appreciate and apply the law of attraction, it's important to understand its principles, historical context, practical applications, and scientific underpinnings. The core principles of the law of attraction: thoughts as vibrational energy. According to the law of attraction, everything in the universe, including our thoughts, is composed of energy. When we think, we emit vibrational energy. Positive thoughts emit high-frequency vibrations that attract similar high-frequency experiences. Conversely, negative thoughts emit low-frequency vibrations, drawing in low-frequency experiences. The power of focus. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools that shape our perception of reality. By focusing our thoughts on what we want rather than what we fear, we can influence the outcomes in our lives. This isn't just wishful thinking. It involves training our minds to concentrate on our goals and desires. Visualization and manifestation. Visualization is a critical practice within the law of attraction. It involves creating a vivid mental image of the desired outcome, engaging all senses, and experiencing the emotions associated with achieving that outcome. This process helps align our energy with our goals, making them feel more attainable. Belief and faith. Belief is a cornerstone of the law of attraction. We must believe that what we desire is possible and that we deserve it. Faith in the process is equally important. Doubt and skepticism can negate the positive energy we're trying to cultivate. By maintaining a strong belief and trust in the universe, we reinforce the positive vibrations. Historical context and evolution. The concept of the law of attraction is not a modern invention. It has deep roots in various philosophical and spiritual traditions. Ancient philosophy. Philosophers like Plato and Socrates discussed the power of thoughts and the mind's role in shaping reality. The idea that our inner world reflects our outer world has been a common theme in many philosophical discussions. Spiritual traditions. Many spiritual traditions, including Hinduism and Buddhism, emphasize the power of the mind and the importance of positive thinking. The idea that we create our reality through our thoughts is central to these teachings. The New Thought movement. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, the New Thought movement emerged, popularizing ideas related to the law of attraction. Prominent figures like Ralph Waldo Emerson, Napoleon Hill, and William Walker Atkinson wrote extensively about the power of positive thinking and mental visualization. Modern popularity. In recent years, the law of attraction gained widespread attention through books like The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. This book and its accompanying film brought the concept into mainstream consciousness, sparking renewed interest and debate. Applying the law of attraction understanding. The law of attraction is one thing, applying it effectively is another. Here are some practical steps to harness its power. Set clear intentions. The first step is to define what you truly want. Be specific and write down your goals. Vague intentions lead to vague results. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," neuroscience. Our brains are wired to seek patterns and make connections. When we focus on a particular goal, our brain's reticular activating system, RAS, filters information to support that goal. This means we become more attuned to opportunities that align with our desires. Psychology. Positive thinking has been shown to improve mental health, reduce stress, and increase overall well-being. The placebo effect, where believing in a treatment's efficacy can produce real health benefits also illustrates the power of belief. Quantum physics. Some proponents of the law of attraction cite principles of quantum physics, particularly the idea that particles can exist in multiple states at once, superposition, and that observation can influence outcomes. While this is a complex and often misunderstood area, it suggests that our consciousness might play a role in shaping reality. Common misconceptions. Despite its popularity, the law of attraction is often misunderstood. Here are some common misconceptions. It's just wishful thinking. Critics argue that the law of attraction is merely wishful thinking. However, true application requires consistent positive action and mindset shifts, not just idle daydreaming. It blames people for their misfortunes. Another criticism is that it suggests people are to blame for negative experiences. The law of attraction doesn't imply blame, but encourages individuals to take control of their thoughts and actions to improve their circumstances. It's a quick fix. Some people believe that they can achieve their desires instantly by thinking positively. In reality, the law of attraction requires time, patience, and persistence. It's about cultivating a long-term positive mindset and taking consistent action. Real-life examples. Many successful individuals credit the law of attraction for their achievements. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah has spoken about the power of positive thinking and visualization in her career. She has used vision boards and affirmations to achieve her goals. Jim Carrey. The actor wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and visualized receiving it. Several years later, he received a role that paid him exactly that amount. Will Smith. The actor has discussed his belief in the law of attraction, emphasizing the importance of focusing on positive outcomes and taking inspired action. Challenges and overcoming them. Applying the law of attraction can be challenging, especially when faced with setbacks. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. Negative self-talk. It's easy to fall into patterns of negative self-talk. Counter this by consciously replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Impatience. Results may not come immediately, leading to frustration. Practice patience and trust the process. Remember that building a positive mindset takes time. External influences. Negative influences from others can hinder your progress. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in your goals. Lack of action. Simply thinking positively is not enough. Take concrete steps toward your goals and be proactive in seeking opportunities. Conclusion. The law of attraction is a profound and transformative concept that teaches us the power of our thoughts and beliefs. By understanding and applying its principles, we can create a more positive and fulfilling life. It's about aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our deepest desires and trusting the universe to bring them to fruition. While it may seem simple, its true power lies in consistent practice, unwavering belief, and inspired action. By embracing the law of attraction, we can unlock our potential and manifest the life we truly desire. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos.